Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a review on this Christmas plate from Ejiubas. During my Halloween party series, I reviewed for you one of the two plates that were in this set from Ejiubas, and at that time I asked you if you would be interested in seeing a review on the stamping plate that has the Christmas designs on it, and most of you said yes, you would like to see it, so that's what I'm doing today. I do hope you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future review videos, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I would appreciate it a lot. I believe I purchased this set from Ejiubas website, but you can also get them at Amazon. I will link for you everything that I can in the description box, but if you have any questions, just please leave them for me in the comment section below. I will show you some close-ups. As you know, these plates are double-sided, and in general I am loving Ejiubas stamping plates, so I do have high hopes for this one as well. But after I swatch every design for you, I will come back and share my thoughts on them. So let's see how this plate swatch and how do I like it at the end.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me six geese a-laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me seven swans a-singing, six geese a-laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the eighth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me eight maids a-milking, seven swans a-swimming, six geese a-laying, five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding.
Alright guys, let me know what were your thoughts about this Ejiubas Christmas stamping plate, or actually 2 stamping plates, because these plates are double-sided. I really like them. All of these designs picked up without any problems. Again, just keep in mind these plates are edged a little bit more deeper, so when I was scraping off larger bold spots, they may not have been fully covered with nail polish, but when you are working with individual images, you shouldn't have any problems picking up these areas. I really enjoy Ejiubas stamping plates in general, and they are also very cost effective, so definitely if you are considering trying these, give them a chance. They are really good plates, and I do believe that I probably own all of them at this point. I have been enjoying their plates in general, and I would highly recommend them. And this full set, so both the Halloween stamping plate and the Christmas plate that I showed you today, work without any problems, and the designs on this are really cute, and I'm sure you will be able to use them even next year if you cannot put your hands on the plate this year. Let me know what are your thoughts and which design was maybe your favorite. Have you ever tried a Ejiubas plate, or which ones do you own and how do you like them? I believe that's it for today's video. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, it's almost here. And for the rest of you, Happy Holidays. I hope you will be spending it with your friends and family. And I really appreciate all of you for being here and for watching my videos and for all your support. So thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.